Marcus, you need to get back here right now.
What's going on?
Nothing good. Hurry.
Noodle is at it again. The search engine giant announced they will be acquiring yet another startup tech company. This time, it's InstaWheels. Noodle purchased the car-sharing startup for $750 million. The startup's future was already threatened by Driver San Francisco. But tech insiders say that with Noodle integrating its search and map functions into the InstaWheels sharing service, it will dominate the marketplace. This is considered a shot across the bow at Noodle competitors such as Nvite, who has also been expanding its portfolio of startups.
Shit.
Hey, man, what's going on?
I was looking at our numbers, how many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we had available, and that's when I saw it.
What?
A chunk of our followers and bots came from inactive or dead Nvite accounts.
Hey, wait, so someone used a social media site to boost our numbers? Who?
And how many fucking accounts,
I don't know who, but it came from inside Nvite, someone with admin access, I'm sure of that. As for how many...
Fuck
Sorry, I didn't check. No, it's all my fault. I didn't check.
Josh,
No, I
it's
didn't
not
check.
Your fault.
You know, maybe someone inside Nvite is a fan.
Yeah, or maybe we're getting set up to get fucked.
Should have checked.
We need to find out.
Marcus, find your way inside.
I should have just checked.
Josh, it's not your fault, okay? Look, we all saw the numbers. You're the only one who caught it. You did good. You did good. Huh?
Okay.
Sending you the flagged accounts. Use the CEO's computer, Mary Catskill. She's on vacation, so her office should be empty.
¿Y qué? Todos tienen opiniones. Pero esta vez no nada. Hongo y sus playeras vintage hipsters de libros que nunca he leído. Digo, en verdad.
All the billions in this city, and it's still managing to go to shit. I've had my account hacked twice.
Yeah? Well, try getting hacked at the cafe and having someone steal your company's startup information.
Are you serious?
If I first sold my app idea to a venture capitalist. Now I got
What's happening?
I unlocked the elevator. Heading there now. Heading up. I'm gonna get us some answers.
Good luck, Marcus. We're with you.
I'm in. Trying to figure out who boosted our numbers. Whoa. What happened?
The flagged clients just vanished. We lost the bots. What did you do?
Nothing. This isn't me.
Marcus, is this a bad time? Sort of feels like a bad time. Bet she drinks it with ice. I don't really need to introduce myself, do I?
I know who you are. That night at the beach, man, I knew you looked fucking familiar.
Well, Venus must have been in retrograde or some bullshit because I think it was fate that I was in the night that you hacked into our system. I had to meet you, and there you were, pissing on your sneakers. All brains and no aim.
What's Bloom's CTO doing in the office of the CEO of Nvite? And why'd you boost our numbers? This the part where you offer me a six-figure salary?
No, fuck no. No. You could code circles around most of my programmers. No, see, I can't pitch CTOS 2.0 as a state-of-the-art security system and then hire someone that's on the no-fly list. Whoa. I just came here to have a drink. But hey, if you want to have a drink and a dance, I'm in.
Oh, you think it's a fucking joke? Huh?
Do it. Roll a fucking punch.
You got everybody eating out your fucking hands thinking the system's bulletproof? You can't see the people you're stepping on.
Guess what, Marcus? Guess what? The people want to be told who is good and who is bad. They don't care how it works, only that it does.
But it doesn't fucking work.
A few fucking civilian casualties is the cost you have to pay for the betterment of the world. You're fighting a war no one gives a shit about. Y'all are just swimming upstream right into the grizzly's mouth.
So why'd you prop up DedSec's numbers?
There's no one in Silicon Valley who could throw a proper punch. That, and you're a great investment. You're so aggressive, so indignant. You frightened the rest of Silicon Valley right to my doorstep.
You used us to sell CTOS 2.0 to them.
It was the ultimate deterrent against hackers like you. And now, everyone needs my protection. So, here it is, Marcus. Your record is back on file. Your backdoor access is plugged. And those bots I gave you, are gone. Oh, and there's a warrant out for your arrest. Hacking, corporate espionage, and breaking and entering. It's okay. I was done with it anyway. Fuck.
We have you surrounded. Come out with your hands up.
Squad to air support.
Fuck. I got played. Fuck.
Cops are surrounding the building. Get out of there.
Fuck.
Marcus, they're surrounding the building. Get pissed later and get out now.
I repeat, come out with your hands up.
All right, I'm gone.
Any units grab a visual. He's ducked out of sight. He's ditched his vehicle.
Air is railing. Suspect back in sight.
All calls, squad. We're on the suspect. Over.
Squad, suspect is attempting to flee in a vehicle. Where the hell did he go?
Find him.
Keep an eye out. He's got to be nearby.
Where's this guy hiding? Anyone see him?
Marcus, it's getting too hot out there for you. Come back. We'll figure this out together.